Welcome back to Auto Road Review, the channel where we bring you the most detailed and engaging reviews of the vehicles that redefine the way we travel. Today, we're diving into a name that has been synonymous with freedom, comfort, and the open road for decades, the 2026 Winnebago Motorhome. This latest model is more than just a mobile living space, it's a blend of innovation, style, and performance that promises to turn every journey into a first-class experience. The exterior of the 2026 Winnebago has been given a fresh and modern design that immediately stands out. The front profile is sleek and aerodynamic, reducing wind resistance and improving fuel efficiency. The signature Winnebago grille integrates seamlessly into the LED headlamp design, giving it a confident and upscale look. Large panoramic windows on the sides not only enhance the exterior styling but also ensure that passengers enjoy breathtaking views of the scenery outside. The smooth lines, high-gloss finish, and choice of contemporary paint schemes make it as visually impressive at a campsite as it is rolling down the highway. Durable construction materials ensure it can withstand different climates and terrains, making it ideal for both short getaways and cross-country adventures. Step inside, and the 2026 Winnebago welcomes you into a world of modern comfort. The interior is thoughtfully designed to maximize space without sacrificing style. High-quality materials, soft-touch surfaces, and premium upholstery create an inviting atmosphere. The open-plan layout makes the living space feel more like a luxury apartment than a motorhome. A fully equipped kitchen comes with stainless steel appliances, a spacious refrigerator, induction cooktop, and convection microwave, allowing you to cook gourmet meals on the go. Clever storage solutions, including overhead cabinets and hidden compartments, keep everything neatly organized. The living area features a plush sofa that can be converted into additional sleeping space, while a large smart TV with surround sound transforms the space into a mobile entertainment lounge. LED mood lighting can be adjusted to create a relaxing ambiance in the evenings. The bedroom offers a queen-size bed with premium mattress, bedside USB ports, and ample wardrobe space. Large windows in the sleeping area provide natural light during the day and privacy shades for nighttime comfort. The bathroom design in the 2026 Winnebago is both practical and stylish, featuring a spacious shower with glass doors, a modern vanity, and eco-friendly fixtures. Hot water is available instantly thanks to the efficient tankless water heater, making every shower a refreshing experience no matter where you are parked. On the performance side, the 2026 Winnebago is built on a robust chassis with a powerful yet fuel-efficient engine, delivering smooth acceleration and stable handling even when fully loaded. Advanced suspension ensures a comfortable ride over long distances, while modern driver assistance features such as adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and blind spot monitoring provide added confidence behind the wheel. The integration of solar panels and a high-capacity battery system means you can enjoy off-grid camping for extended periods without sacrificing modern conveniences. Fuel economy is impressive for a vehicle of its size, thanks to aerodynamic improvements and advanced engine technology. Whether you're navigating highways or winding mountain roads, the 2026 Winnebago delivers a balanced mix of power and efficiency. When it comes to pricing, the 2026 Winnebago offers various configurations to suit different needs and budgets. Entry-level trims start at around $165,000, offering essential features and comfort for those who want a reliable and stylish motorhome. Higher trims with premium interior packages, advanced tech, and extended off-grid capabilities can go up to $220,000 or more. While this is a significant investment, the combination of luxury, performance, and durability makes it a worthwhile choice for those who value quality travel experiences. In the end, the 2026 Winnebago is not just a vehicle, it's a lifestyle choice. It's for those who dream of open roads, new horizons, and the comfort of home wherever they go. With its modern design, luxurious interior, impressive performance, and flexible pricing options, this motorhome proves why Winnebago continues to lead the industry. For anyone looking to take their adventures to the next level, the 2026 Winnebago is ready to make every journey unforgettable.